And we are in front of the Campeo C540 with pop-up roof. And getting straight to the actual price spec. Campeo C540 with the price specs and final price was 70,238. But there is a special discount for this fare of 6,000 euros. And we shall be entering inside and checking all the specs and features. Firstly, with the actual Dometic fridge that's actually mounted in front of it, so you can open it from both sides with the actual pop-up roof. And we shall be entering now inside. Check all the other features of this campervan. Small cabinets for kitchenware, big nice place to store your items, perfect for a coffee machine. This side we have a pretty narrow cabinet for your hanging clothes, and from that side there is a pretty good amount of storage in the bathroom area with the standard sink that this style of campervans have. Thetford cassette toilet and another cabinet in the front part. We have the standard Fiat Ducato chassis and this smaller dinette area because we are just in a 540, but it should be good for 2 kids. On the upper part there is the standard pop-up roof with a standard dimension of 200 per 145. Not bad at all. Getting on this side, we have another storage for your kitchenware and cabinet compartment downward. Sink and actual burner stove. Getting out of the actual van, we are going on the back to measure the actual size of this Campeo 540. Measuring, we have 1.310, and from this side we have 1.336. So this is the widest part of the bed, and actual size from this one is 1.951. On the lower part you have place for 2 gas bottles, and measuring actual space for the garage is 1.205, and from this side is 0.98. Pretty good amount of space for a 540 van with pop-up roof. And we shall be going and having a better look of the complete campervan.